My dear friend, I am Vijay Kumar Pal, and I thought this is my book, Lost Paradise Kashmir, History of the Devastated Kashmir. So, as we are telling the Islamic Gunism against the Hindus of the Kashmir due to the violent ideology of Islam, as you are well aware, the Paigambar was the rapist, was the killer, was the robber, as a certified robber, as it is reflected in the book of the Quran and the hadith of the Islamic jurisprudence or Islamic fiqh, that Islam a perfect Buddhism. This is why the Hindu women were raped by the Kashmiri Muslims who are living in the Kashmir Valley by these Islamic goons. So in the last video, I told you that some goons, the Islamic goons, which are now under custody or detention in the government. Now we will continue this and we will tell about the some other goons, men and women both, which is Islamic goon. A true Islam, true Muslim is a goon, is a dictator, is a criminal, is a rapist, is a rapper, robber, and the killer. So this is Mustaq Ahmad Jarkar. Mustaq Ahmad Jarkar, born 1967, also known as Mustaq Latram, is a Kashmiri terrorist active in Kashmir. He is the founder of Al Umar Mujahideen. He currently lives in Pakistan. Jargar grew up in the No Bhatta area of Srinagar in Kashmir Valley. He joined JKLF, Jammu Kashmir Liberator Front, in 1988 and left for combat training in trading center in Pak Illegal Occupied Kashmir (PIOK). On 12th December 1989, Jargar was one of the members who carried out kidnapping of Rubia Saeed. In 1991, he formed his own group as Al Umar Mujahideen. Over the years, at least more than a dozen matters cases were registered against Jargar in Srinagar. Jargar was arrested on 15th May 1992 and imprisoned. He was released from jail on 31st December 1999 as part of Indian Airline Flight 814, which were kidnapped, which was hijacking on the way of the Kathmandu to New Delhi, but these Jargar hijacked the plane with the other three Islamic terrorists, Islamic goons, and flight was diverted towards the Amritsar, then to the Lahore, then ultimately landed at the Kandahar airport, which was under the terrorist, Islamic terrorist or the Islamic goons, as a Taliban, who is now the ruling party of the Afghanistan. Lives in Pakistan and was arrested also in Pakistan authorities in 202. But as of 207, he was living in Muzaffarabad in Pakistan, illegally occupied Kashmir. And this is the capital of the Pakistan illegal occupied Kashmir, Muzaffar of the Kashmir. Asfaq Mazid Wani, he was born in Srinagar on 5th September 1966, was the first commander of in chief Jammu and Kashmir Liberation Parade. He is regarded as the mastermind behind Kashmir insurgency, which started in 1990. He was the only Kashmiri terrorist who met all military advisor, civil leaders, and the Prime Minister and President of Pakistan. By 1987, he was already on the radar of Indian intelligence agency. He was arrested on 23rd March 1987. His involvement with the Muslim United Front and was imprisoned in Srinagar jail. Asfaq Mazid Wani was killed at the age of 23 in an encounter with Indian paramilitary troops in Hawal area of old city of the Srinagar. Farooq Ahmad Dar. Farooq Ahmad Dar, also known by special name by his own choice, Bitta Karate, is very rogue person and the current chairman of Jammu and Kashmir Liberation Front. During 1990 exodus of the Kashmiri Hindus, he killed so many people with brutality. He was imprisoned under Terrorist Act from 1990 to 206 and again in 219 or financing of the terrorism. Farooq Ahmad Dar was born in November 7, 1960 in the Guru Bazar in Kashmir. Bitta Karate, his pet name, and the suffix Karate because his mastery in the martial art. In 1988, Ahmed Dar was across Pak illegal occupied Kashmir for training of the terrorism. He took 32 days training of the arms Farooq Ahmad Dar spread terror with his return from arms training in Pakistan illegally occupied Kashmir in 1999. He did participate in the ethnic cleansing of the Kashmiri Hindus. His first victim was Satish Kumar Tikku, who was his close friend. So, this is very, very irony that if you have some Muslim friends, there is no guarantee if in a Muslim heart or Muslim brain awaken with the teaching of the Muhammad, that is the killing, the rape, and the robbery of the non-Muslim wealth, you are in danger. Certainly, you are in danger. So be quite aware to make a Muslim friend. He did participate in the ethnic cleansing of the Kashmiri Hindus. His first victim was Satish Kumar Tukku, who was his close friend. Darwood also walked armed on the street in Srinagar in search of Kashmiri Hindus, and on spotting, he took out his pistol and shot at them. He admitted to killing at least 30 people in 1990 due to jihad against Hindu Kafirs. He was further arrested 219 by National Investigation Agency, that is the NIA of India, a charge of terror funding. Masrat Alam Bhatt. He is the separatist Kashmiri leader and currently the General Secretary of All Party Hurriyat Conference led by Sayyid Ali Shah Gilani. His father was now dead. He played a significant role in 210 stone pelting in Kashmir, which broke out against the Machil encounter carried out by the Indian Army in Kashmir. These stone pelting people were doing the same as per Quranic verses. He was detained so many times that all employees and honorable judges were fairly well aware his face and conduct. He was released by the Mufti Muhammad Said as the chief minister of that time. Jammu and Kashmir on the 1st March 215, he was the poster boy of the ISI, Interstate Intelligence Service of Pakistan. In 210, he was run out after Indian government announcement a reward for his arrest for issuing the protest calendar. Ultimately, he was arrested by police and was under custody up to February 215. He later arrested on 7th April 215 for raising Pakistan flag and the anti-India slogan. Alam was born in the old city Zandar Mohalla in July 97 in Kashmir. Masrat Alam supported 208 Mumbai attacks after Kashmir flood. Masrat created a huge controversial statement and Kashmir Valley does not need any rescue of the Kashmiri Muslim people by Indian Army. Asia Andrabi is a Islamic woman goon, dictator, killer. Asia Andrabi is a Kashmiri terrorist woman and founder of Dukhtare Millat, Daughter of the Nation. This group is a part of the separatist organization All Parties Hurriyat Conference in the Kashmir Valley, and the government of India has declared it is as banned organization. The main work of this organization is for the separation of the Kashmir from India, which is 0% possible. She was born in 1962 and graduated from University of the Srinagar. Her husband is Qasim Fakhtu, a founder member of Hezbollah Mujahideen in 1990. Her husband is in jail since 1992 for the murder of Sri Hirday Nath Vachluji. Asia Andrabi was already the head of the Kashmir's biggest network. She is well known on or Masrat Alam in 210 stone pelting rally supports. She hoisted the Pakistani flag and sang the Pakistani national anthem in Kashmir on 25th March 215. Later on, she was booked on March 215. On 12th September 215, she slaughtered a cow and released a video in a bid to defy the ban of sale of beef in Jammu and Kashmir. On 6th July 218, Aisha Andrabi was taken into custody by the National Investigation Agency for waging war against India and other unlawful activities. She did BSc in specialization in biochemistry and MA in Arabic language. His younger son is 16 years old. Ahmad bin Qasim is studying in Srinagar, and older son Muhammad bin Qasim is living within Malaysia with Andrabi elder sister. One of his nephew Julkar, known as a captain in Pakistani army. Andrabi founded her religious beliefs on the teaching of the neo-fundamentalist Zamutul Hadith, which adheres to the pristine teaching of the Islam as to accept everything which are good according to religious texts and reject what has been enjoined by the Islamic Sharia. Means rapes of the Kafir women, robbery and killing of the non-Muslims are acceptable as did in the beginning of the Islam by Prophet and his followers against Banu Qurayza and others. In 1993, she was arrested to her anti-national activity, was later on released in 1994 and she went underground till 204. Aisha Andrabi faced many arrests in 207 to 209. During the unrest of 210, she was under arrest for 2 years. Masarat Alam and the Asia Andrabi were the prime anti-national list of 210 protests and the species on Quit Jammu and Kashmir campaign in 1982 against Hindus. She started motivation in Muslim women for read, understand and practice of their faith. She was again arrested on 28 August 1910 by Jammu and Kashmir police for waging violence and war against Hindus in J&K. She and her colleagues, two anti-national and anti-Hindu women, Nahida Nasreen and Sophia Faimila, were shipped from Srinagar jail and brought to New Delhi by NIA on 16 July 218. A Delhi court ordered to 1 month custody at Tihar jail due to her black verse. The fourth Islamic goon, Asif Hussain Faktu, also known as the Muhammad Qasim, known as Nelson Mandela for the terrorists and the killers of the innocent people of Kashmiri Hindus and others. This is the reverse Nelson Mandela by his criminal deeds in India. He was born in 23rd March 1967 as a man of May 202. He is in jail till death. How shameless these terrorists for comparison with Nelson Mandela. Nelson Mandela was a nationalist and was fighting for apartheid, not for a vacuum and the rogue aim as these terrorists are doing it. And Nelson Mandela was not the murderer. Any person cannot be Mandela if he is in jail due to his bad working. For this life imprisonment, he is involved in the murder of the social activist Hridaynath Vachalu, sentenced to jail to death. He was released in 1999 for a short span. He is the husband of a woman terrorist, Asia Andrabi, founder of Dukht-e-Millat. Mirwais Umar Farooq, he is the chairman of the Awami Action Committee. He was born in 23rd March 1973. He is the Mirwais Mean chief preacher of the Kashmir. He is the chairman of party's Hurriyat Conference in the Indian upon territory of the Jammu and Kashmir. At the age of 17, following A.S. assassination of the father by unknown gunman, as Mirwais Maulvi Farooq, the leader of Awami Action Committee, Farooq united 23 Kashmiri pro-freedom separatist movement from India as an anti-human, anti-national movement. So these are the Islamic goons which are following the Islam in the Kashmir, and all the true Muslims of the Kashmiri Muslims, if they are reading the 5-time namaz and offer 5-time namaz and doing according to the Islam, certainly they are not the good persons. They cannot be good person because the teaching of the Islam or teaching of the Gunism, of which was the perpetrator was the Muhammad, or the Muhammad was the launcher of the Islamic Gunism, which is known as Islam. So, who Muslims are following the teaching of the Muhammad cannot be good because they are certified goon. They are against the human values. They are against the non-Muslims. And Islam allows the rapes with the non-Muslim women. This is why the many Hindu women were raped by these Islamic goons, known as the true Muslims. True Muslims means a certified terrorist, a certified criminal, and the Islam is a certified criminology. And a Islam who is following the Islam cannot be a good, never good. This is my firm determination, this is my claim that a true Muslim cannot be a good. because he is following the Islam. He is certified rapist, killer and the robber. This is another fact that he cannot do nothing due to the fear of the law. A true Muslim is in hibernation, as the frog goes in hibernation in the severe cold for saving his life. So these Muslim goons are also doing this because Indian army, paramilitary, and all the army of the world, that is the United National Army, UNO Army, is against this terrorism. Every non-Muslim, every atheist, and every true human being are against this Islamic Goonism. This is why they are all the Islamic terrorists in the hibernation, or due to the frustration, they are exploding themselves with the bombs to only the idea they have in their brain or their mind, that if I will kill more than 2 non-Muslims, then we are winner, because the suicide bomber is only one and the target more than one. Sometime it is 20, 30 or 50 or 12. So this is the thought of these stupids which are following the path of Islam, which is totally a Gunism. So this is my short video. Please subscribe my channel, put the bell icon, so every notification you will get well in time. Thank you very much.